Hi everyone, my name is Mark and you're on a 5-minute AI channel. Today we're going to build chat with docs template where you'll be able to chat with your documents within the Supabase without any additional services like Google Drive or anything else. Yeah, let's check it. So what we're going to do, actually what we have two files. It's a long history books. Actually, it's two parts of one short history of the world book. And we have an early history and we have a late history. Each of them has around 15 pages. It's quite long text. And we gonna export it as PDF file and as TXT. The problem is that you can't parse docx file, that you can't parse doc because it's actually not a simple text file but a complex archive with multiple files and text. So if you have Microsoft document and you want to upload it to your storage and talk to that, you can export it as a TXT file with Microsoft Doc, or you can upload it here in Google Docs and then export as a TXT file. Yeah, so I've already downloaded, I created a Supabase and I uploaded it here. Yeah, so you see we have two files here. Also, what you need to do before starting, you need to create these files table. Here we will store our current list of files from the storage. We will need it to compare this list to before starting. You need to create these files. If you upload new file table, we'll store our files from the storage view, and we need to parse and add storage vectors to the database. And yeah, it's default documents. It's default documents table. Here we have a Supabase guide about parse and add new vector in the Supabase. Yeah, it's default documents like create extension vector, create a table with documents, and create these function match documents. You will be able to find it here on supabasedoc.com, or you can find it in my guide in description of this video. So let's get back to our scenario. What we have. First of all, we're gonna try to get all files. Right now we don't have any files. Yeah, actually let's just test it and I will show it how it works with the real data. We try to get all files because we don't have any files right now. It's empty. But when we will try to run the next time, we will have the same files in the storage, and this list of files will be not empty. It will help us to prevent upload the same data twice. Yeah, so let's go back to and it will help us to prevent upload the same data twice. And we have a bunch of vectors in the vector store table. Yeah, so how we did it. And it will help us to these files here, then we have a bunch of vectors in the vector store all files table from storage. Be aware because Supabase return this empty folder placeholder as a file, so we don't actually need it. And yeah, we just use custom query to access storage because Supabase node doesn't have this query. What you will need to replace here, it's ID of your database. You can find it in URL of Supabase. And this name of the storage. As you can see, my storage name is private and yours may be different, so you need to replace it here. This one is name of the storage name is private, and yours may be different, so you need to replace it. We have a condition. We trying to check if it's empty placeholder, then we will avoid it. And if this file is in get files, actually aggregate, yeah, aggregate node. So if this file already exists, we will leave it. We will check it in get files. actually aggregate.
Right now you see that all files
Aggregate node was processed, and early and late. We will check it.
we downloading again. You need to replace these and these, and
It's simple. Again, get request to download your file from private storage. Again,
this storage is not public as you can see,
download
and if you use public storage, you
from
might need to
private
use different
storage.
requests here.
As a result, we have a binary file for PDF, and for TXT file, we have a pure text in data key. And then we have a switch node. We check if this file extension, for example, in this case, it's a PDF. And for text, we will see that it doesn't exist at all. So if it doesn't exist, it's undefined, then we will go this way. Here, use txt path.
We extract
will see
PDF
that
file with simple
it doesn't exist at all.
You
So
add
if
more
it
nodes,
doesn't
if
exist,
you have
it's RTF files, or maybe, I don't know, HTML files. Then we merge all
possible roles. See that we've merged now.
It doesn't
create
exist at
file
all.
record.
So
We
if it
need
doesn't
a name
exist,
and
a storage ID of file. And then we use default insert into Supabase vector store node, where you need to specify credentials. Table name, it's default for, because if you created it with the Supabase guide, it will be default for you, like query name, a function, and the table name. Also, we have a default data loader where we specified data with inline condition, because in first case we have, like in the merge, if you can open it, in the merge we have, for PDF we have a text key, and for text we have a data key. For example, here we need to get this, and here we need to get this, and the last one is text splitter. You can specify here chunk size and chunk overlap. If you don't know what is that, you can leave it like that.
A long story short, chunk size is
You
how
can
many
specify
tokens
here
will be
chunk
in
size
each
and chunk
record.
overlap.
You
If
can
you
see
don't know
it's
what is
500
that,
tokens.
you can leave it like that.
And how many
Of them will be overlapped with the previous
tokens will be in
record.
It's around
example, you see
500
that our
tokens.
history
has come down.
And
here also we
long
have
story
our
short,
history come
of
down.
them will be overlapped. A good practice if you want to keep context between different records, because when AI will try to find, for example, this part, like history has come down, it will find both this record and this, and it will have much more context. For example,
Otherwise, you will have only this record.
This part, like history has come down, it will find both this record. AI won't understand the context. And that's all. For example, this part, like history has come down, it will find both this record. AI won't understand the context. Yeah, let me show them. Okay, Supabase works not really good today. So let's chat. Actually, I already have chat history. Let's reset it. What do you know about Maya? So in the first document, early history, we have some data about Maya. And in the late history, we have some data about Roman Empire. So we will check with these questions how
the vector
early
store
history
retriever
we have
works.
some data about Maya,
You can check
and
output
in the
results
late
here,
history we have
and you can find file ID.
that was specified in metadata. Using this file ID, we can check which file OpenAI used to find this piece of text. So file ID, we can check which file
And you can see that this is
OpenAI
history.
used to
Let's check
find
another
this piece
request
of text.
What do you
So
know
file ID,
started with
we can check. We don't need memory here, but you can add it. And actually, yeah, this is a simple bot to chat with vector store using AI agent. Yeah, and here we can check again, like file ID is different and it's from late history. Yeah, this is how it works. And if you haven't saw this AI agent, I forgot to mention how it works. Yeah. So this is a simple internal chat for n8n. It's AI agent with, again, that use tools to answer on user request, and why the only tool is vector store with again name, description, and our vector Supabase vector store. For example, if you want, you can specify ID of the file here in metadata, like file ID, and specify this ID. So ID file here in metadata, like file ID,
and
also
specify.
you, yeah, and that's all. File
That's
here,
all.
also
You can use this
you,
scenario without
yeah,
any additional
that's all.
services
You,
like Google Drive.
yeah, and that's all. And add as much as you need new files to the storage, because Supabase has pretty good plans on subscription, so you can use it as a main data store for any of your project. Like this video, subscribe on my channel, and join our 5-minute AI community, where you will be able to find this n8n scenario and the detailed guide. Everything is free. Yeah. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye.